is this? Wait, so that was an offshoot of the trail. What? Nope. Definitely took the hardest line.
It's your boy, Ranked Mountain Biking here, and today we're taking a look at the Oak Cliff Nature Preserve trails in Dallas. And if you haven't already, you should go check out my video on the jump trail that they have here, because they have some massive jumps on here and some really tight corners, and it's super dope. Probably the biggest jumps I've hit so far, so you should definitely go check that out. But anyways, the normal mountain biking trails that they have here are pretty good as well. Despite the fact that these trails are almost flat enough to make me believe in the flat earth theory, they still somehow have a lot more personality than my dating history. So although most of the trails here are pretty flat, they still have some very interesting features that makes them well worth the ride and provides a good amount of challenge at some portions of the trail. So these trails are actually worth checking out if you have the time. But anyway, let's get to the ride. First, we're going to check out the White Loop, which is basically the main loop that all the other trails offshoot of. So you kind of have to ride this trail. But luckily it's pretty fun and there's some pretty cool stuff on it. Most of the other trails here are fairly similar, so they don't need a whole lot of explaining. But I will say that the red loop, Loop 4, is the one that you're going to find all the massive jumps on. So if you want to check that out, I would recommend going to Loop 4. But other than that, let's get it on.
That was an offshoot of the trail. What? Nope. Definitely took the hardest line. So we're gonna go back, try that again. Right side of this. Nope. Okay. Not gonna get up this today. Surprising. Early. Good Lord. Look at this. That was spooky. Yeah, a bunch of random shit back here. Hey. Loop 4, warning, there's that jump. Let's go find this cat. That's what I prefer.
as this video is coming to an end, I would like to give a big shout out to Dorba, which is the Dallas Off-Road Bicycle Association. And they are basically in charge of creating and maintaining pretty much all the mountain biking trails in Dallas. And they're doing a hell of a job. So hats off to them for doing a great job. If you'd like to know more about Dorba, I'll leave a link in the description where you can check out their website. And they also make excellent jump tracks. Speaking of jump tracks, if you want to check out my video of the jump track that they have here, link will be in the description. It'll also be on the end card. And that's gonna do it for me. If you like the video, make sure to like and subscribe for future content. I will be having a couple more videos about the trails in Dallas, or actually, scratch that. I'll be having another video about the trails in Dallas, and then it's going to be off to Waco. And so far the trails in Dallas have been pretty awesome, so I might have to come back eventually and try out some more. But anyway, thanks for watching, and as always, you gotta go hard to get hard.